Hey everyone, how are you? I have a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, which comes with the UConnect radio system, and I have this air bubble, as you can see, going across the top here and runs down over here. I know the screen's like flickering, so it's going to be kind of hard to see, but yeah, so it started out in the left-hand side of my screen, and over time has now came all the way over here, which now comes all the way down here. And I was just kind of ignoring it because I wasn't messing with anything, but now randomly my screen starts going haywire. I think it's when the sun hits it. So basically what has to happen, I called the UConnect support, which I'll put the number into the description. It's 1-800-826-6632. And the lady, right away, I told her I had the air bubble, and she knew what was going on. They're aware of it. And they said that they will replace it and pay for the repair all for free. So what has to happen is you need to take your Jeep to a Jeep dealership. Well, first you have to call UConnect, and they're going to give you a case number. You have to schedule an appointment with Jeep and give them that case number. Let them know that your radio is delaminating, as they call it, and they'll take it in for diagnosis. Now, they said depending on the dealership, they might charge you for the initial diagnosis, and then you'll get reimbursed from UConnect for that. But if the dealership's nice enough, they can roll that diagnosis into the final bill, which is going to be paid by UConnect anyway. So what's going to happen is you take it to the Jeep dealership, get the initial diagnosis. They'll then send that over to UConnect, the diagnosis. You have to call UConnect back, and then the case manager, I guess, gets involved, and then they'll schedule your appointment. They'll call you back to schedule your appointment to get it fully replaced and repaired, and you don't have to pay anything out of pocket unless the dealership makes you pay for the initial diagnosis. But yeah, that kind of sucks, but it's nice that we're not having to pay. This seems to be a known issue in all cars that have this UConnect. So if this is happening to you, make sure you go ahead and follow these instructions, and you'll get your radio replaced for free. And you won't have to pay anything out of pocket other than the initial diagnosis, unless the dealership says you can just roll it into the final bill. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hope this helped, and hopefully everyone gets their radio repaired if you're watching this. Peace out.